Hello everyone, today I will explain questions on sets and subsets. In this question, we are given one universal set together with three subsets, namely A, B, and C. Before solving the question, the first thing we need to do is identify all the elements in each set. Let's start with the universal set. Since x is an integer and the values are from 1 until 12, we simply list all the integers from 1 to 12. Next, we will determine set A. Set A consists of all multiples of 2. A multiple of 2 means any number that can be divided by 2 without leaving a remainder. Now, let's write set B. Set B contains all the prime numbers. Remember that a prime number is a number that has exactly two positive factors, which are 1 and itself. Lastly, we will determine set C. Set C contains all numbers less than 7. Now, let's answer part 1. We need to find A intersection in complement of B. Before we can find the intersection, we must first determine the complement of set B. Next, substitute the universal set and set B into the formula. Now, remove every element that belongs to set B. Next, we will find the intersection between set A and the complement of B. The intersection means the elements that appear in both sets. Comparing both sets, the common elements are 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. That is the answer for part 1. Now, let's solve part 2. The union of two sets contains every element that appears in either set. Remember, when writing the union, we do not repeat the same element twice. Now, let's combine the elements from set B and set C. Remember that the union of two sets contains every element that appears in either set. This means we will write all the elements from both sets together. Next, we perform the difference operation. This means we will remove all the elements that belong to set A from the union. After removing the elements of set A, the remaining elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Finally, the two vertical bars represent the cardinality of a set, which means the number of elements in the set. There are 5 elements in this set. That is the answer for number 2. In conclusion, we first listed all the elements of the universal set and each subset. Then, we applied the required set operations step by step. Therefore, the answer for part 1 is 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And the answer for part 2 is 5. Thank you for watching.